Hi everyone. I'm so excited today. I'll be making some cute clay pieces to display in my backyard Enchanted Forest. Wow! Look at this set from the Hippie crafter brand. It comes with a set of 5 sculpting tools to help you with your modeling and sculpting. My goodness! It also comes with 48 different colors of clay in 1-ounce blocks that are all individually wrapped. And that's not where the color ends. I'm going to use my Hippie Crafter acrylic paint pens to add more detail to my clay pieces after they've baked and cooled. Before I can start molding and sculpting, I first condition each block. This warming and kneading of the clay helps make it pliable and ready for me to create any shapes I like. Now it's very easy for me to roll out and make my first piece. I'm going to use a regular cookie cutter. This will be a sun lady ornament. Let's use this sculpting tool to simulate the sun's rays. And this other tool to poke a proper hole in the ornament so it will be ready for hanging. I feel like a kid again. I'm having such fun. I'm going to give my sun lady ornament a snazzy hairdo and big intriguing eyes. And now for the nose. Everyone struggles with noses, but there's a wonderful sculpting tool included that I think will help us along. Not too bad. And now for the lips and teeth detail. I'm sure I'll get better with practice. What's really neat is that you can blend different colors of this clay. I'm going to make another hairpiece and make it look more braided to make my sun lady even more regal. This is actually 3 colors of clay kneaded and twisted together. I'm having so much fun with this. There she is. Ready to be baked and hardened. But first I'll make a couple more ornaments. I think a nice textured star ornament would look nice with my sun lady. And a moon too. How about a crescent moon? There they are. Now let's do the baking process. I'm going to line a regular baking pan with a piece of aluminum foil and then a piece of parchment paper. I preheat my oven to 265 degrees Fahrenheit, and when it comes up to temperature I place my baking pan, with the ornaments, on the center rack. I bake for 15 minutes, then take them out and let them cool completely. After they have cooled I can easily pick them up. They do not stick to the parchment and they feel nice and firmed up. Wow, I actually made real ornaments. I then decided to add a bit of my Hippie Crafter acrylic paint to my ornaments to make them a bit more razzle-dazzle. Oh look, my husband made me a cute little teapot. Look at all the texturing he added in with the tool set. When the paint dried, we then added a couple coats of clear water-based, semi-gloss outdoor-grade urethane to make the ornaments waterproof and add UV protection. We then hung our finished ornaments from tree branches in our backyard Enchanted Forest. Let's take a peek, shall we? I love these, they're so whimsical. And I know my little grandniece is going to love coming over to help me make more adorable art pieces in the future. We're going to have such fun. Thank you Hippie Crafter, I absolutely love your oven bake polymer clay kit. Ta-ta for now.